minute since I've touched this car. What's going on, guys? It's Derek here with another post on my channel, the Dale Garage Production. And as you guys can see, we're just getting into fixing the Speed6. Long story short, this puddle on the floor right here, if you guys can pick that up, this puddle on the floor right here is just all power steering fluid. A power steering cooler cracked and then it leaked. And then I didn't know, but I ended up filling up more power steering fluid because I didn't know what it was. Filled it up, not even 10 minutes later, it all pissed back out right down here. So right now I got the line. It goes from the power steering reservoir right there. The line underneath, you can see that right there. I got that out. It's probably hard to see down here. But down here there's a bolt somewhere. Where are you? It's kind of hard to see. You guys won't see it. I can't get it. But literally, like, oh no! What was that? $5 says that was something I needed. Oh, come on! Just a way to start the day. Okay, so $5 bet. It was something I needed. Okay, guys, so what I was trying to get at, down inside that slot there, you're gonna have 2 bolts. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll flip this around just now, 1 second. So the line, top of the line would be at the bottom of the reservoir right there. This would be sitting there like that. There's a bolt down here and a bolt down here at the bottom. If you guys can see, I have a line right here, and then there's that little dot right there. That's the bolt hole. The bolt hole that holds the power steering line in place. So what I ended up doing on this one is I put the hose on there, but on the other end it didn't have the, how do you want to say this flare fitting right here, the flared fitting part. Like, it didn't get flared, so all the fluid just like decided to piss out. Because I just put like just a gimmick hose just so I can get by. So what we're gonna actually do now is, it's gonna be a long process, but it's okay. I don't mind. I'm gonna get new hose. I'm getting close to my face there. I'm gonna get new hose from here to here. So this line going this way, I'll show you guys underneath the car, but I gotta take that all out. There's my power steering cooler right here. Kind of got a new one. An Amazon special, just to get the car running until I go get like a Damon Motorsports power steering racing cooler. That's the one I'm kind of leaning toward. This, and I'm gonna try and reflare the hose that's leaking right here. So this is my hack job. I cut it, forgot to flare it, and then decided thinking that it was okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off, pull this one off, and then reflare the end if I can. Hopefully I can. Holy crap, this car is dirty. Reflare it, and then just hoping that it will hold power steering fluid under pressure. I hope it does. If not, then we'll have to figure out something else. Long story short, why I haven't been posting lately. I had some crazy lady living with me. I decided to end up kicking her out. Now all of her shit's sitting on my front fucking lawn. Life. Never help anybody. Unless, you know, like, you're obviously getting some out of it. I can't even say that. You know what? Just help yourself if you can. Don't help out nobody else. Keep it to yourself. Okay. See, I don't even know what I'm going on about. I lost my train of thought. I'll pick you guys back up when I get this all taken apart. Alright, guys. So we're back. And I got a little bit more than I thought done before picking up the camera. I'll flip the camera and show you guys real quick, but I don't even know if you guys will be able to see that. Okay, so you guys can see that I got it out right here. And follow the line, and it goes right into the rack, pretty much from right there. So right now at the moment, I got the cooler hooked up, got the line right here. I got my little Missy and little man right here watching. Let's get to it. Let's see if we can ran all the way over. I do have to cut it. It's gonna go to right there, so it'll be like this, you know, a little piece off right there, and then I'll probably end up actually if there's enough hose, I'll probably reuse the rest of the black hose to use like I did on the other one. Let me show you guys on this one here. Oh, that's already there. So it was like that, and then I had a piece of a hose on the tip of that. So if I can, I'll probably reuse one of the black ones, the black hose. If not, then I'll have to go back to the clear hose that I have here. I'm just hoping that will hold pressure, because if it doesn't hold pressure, then it looks like we're SOL. So yeah, let's get this ran.
Oh, Nissan Skyline? Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's a Nissan.
Yes, it's a Nissan, but not a Nissan Skyline, DJ.
Well, that's why I call it for the full name. What is it, a Nissan?
Pathfinder.
Pathfinder?
Yeah.
And then this is a Mazda.
Speed 6.
Pathfinder?
Huh?
Mazda Pathfinder?
Nissan Pathfinder.
Nissan Pathfinder.
Yes.
Path, not half. He said half.
I said path.
I mean path. Hey, Maddie.
So that's all done from, let's see, from A. It goes all the way up to here, to the rack in there, comes down. I made a hose. I was gonna use this, but it didn't work out. I was gonna put the zip tie around that, but I'm just too lazy to take it all off, slide it out, and then put it back. But that's that, and then we're gonna get on to the next side, and then we'll get back to the top, because at the top, I disconnected, where are you? I disconnected the top power steering line so I could actually get to the bottom a little bit easier. It actually worked out pretty good. There's cough already air in the system. Oh my god, that's dirty. Yeah, there's already air in the system, so it's not like I can't get any air. I can't get any more air in it. So I'm just going to put this all back together, run the bottom hose. Like I was saying, I'm gonna get another piece of black hose to hook up to that one, and then we can go from there. So I'm actually gonna grab that right now. Let's see, this one. Let's see, do we have enough hose is the question. Let's see. Well, that's lots of hose right there. I think that's the one that we need.
See my blue letter in the background. You see my blue letter in the background. Let's see my brother in the background. Oh, hi. Did you see me? Did the tongue? Oh, they don't see you. Oh, yes, they do.
Alright guys, stupid me made a mistake. So, I left the clamp with the tie, with the hose clamp, sorry. So I left the plier one, the one you'd use a hose clamp for. I left that hose clamp and then putting it in underneath another hose clamp. I gotta take that off so I can get to the other one. Sure, babe.
Okay, ready?
Okay guys, so long story short, I couldn't get the hose on, so what I'm doing right over here is I'm going over to the engine in the background there. It's a Acura 1.7. It's got the whole engine, everything here. I was actually supposed to donate. I went to a car show. I told this guy, give me a call before he leaves. I never got a phone call, so he never got the motor. I actually remember making a deal with him, kind of thing, like I give him the motor free, and he said I could get some seat time. I was like, okay, seat time, no problem. Doing what? He just did like simple ovals, like they were stock cars, just stock car oval track, I guess you want to say. So I had the opportunity to give him this to get some seat time, but that didn't go well. I guess it didn't go through. Not that it didn't go well, it just didn't go through. I don't know what happened to Buddy. I guess when the show was done, he had to actually get going and like pack up his stuff, and he had to go, you know. So I don't blame him. If he did call me, forgive me if I missed your call. But yeah, so what we're gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna take this hose from the power steering reservoir, and I'm gonna take it off because that's probably like the exact same size hose I need. So we're gonna steal it. Ooh, shit. Okay, I was not expecting that. Alright, whatever. It's already pissing, you can't do nothing about that now. Put the hose on, go back out there, bring the pliers, bring you guys. Alright, let's go. Let's take this all out there. Yeah. Oh, I almost got power steering. Set on the power steering.
What you doing?
Nothing, maybe I'm just trying to fix the power steering problem.
Oh wait, there's a power steering problem?
Yes, Daddy has a power steering problem.
Oh, that's cool.
Alright guys, so
That's
the
not
hose is all
cool.
together. Maddie, can you watch up please? Back up. The hose is all together. Time to go back to
I
install
can back
it.
up.
Okay, thank you. Now we're gonna install it, guys.
It was on like the back camera, and now it's on the front camera. Wait, are those the right words?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorta. Yes, baby, not the right words, no. Almost, big boy.
because they want to ride on the driveway.
Huh?
So they want to drive on the driveway like you said you would.
I'm using my stupid long homemade extension. It's gonna go all the way down here. I don't think you guys can see that, but if not, when I come over here to do this one, it's gonna be pretty much the same thing right there. Once that goes in, we're good to go. Cha-ching. And then power steering's fixed, reservoir's empty. I gotta get some power steering fluid. I can't really start the car anyway because I do have the key, I just gotta get it cut and programmed, so that's the next option for this video. I'm gonna update this one and probably go and update the next one when I get the car actually started and running. And that's tight. Extension out. Next. Alright, let's see if you can, I don't think you guys are gonna catch this, but hold on. Set you guys up. I'll grab you in a second. This is how we do it, people. Ooh, that was tight. All right. Okay, just for you guys, so you guys can see this. Pretty sure you follow the extension, and you'll see it all the way down there. And then same thing. Oh, let me grab that. I'll show you guys the other side. Let me show you guys the other side. So if that was to go in, right? Follow the extension, follow the extension, follow the extension. And literally right here, close to your rad fan, pretty much where your radiator hose bracket on the bottom of your subframe is. There's one nut right beside that. And that's how you get to your power steering lines on a MazdaSpeed6, a Mazda 6. I'm pretty sure that's all Mazda 6s. I'm pretty sure. No, not V6, I lied. That's not a V6. Because I have a 2.3, the 2.3 turbo. So I don't recall if the 2.3's on this side too, because my brother has a Mazda 3, 2.3 NA. And I don't know if his power steering pump's over there. At least I don't think it is. Sorry that I'm talking so much. Kind of feel like because I haven't been back, I have to talk a lot, but I guess I don't have to. I just got to do the work and show you guys what I'm doing. I am gonna throw a link in a couple of the videos that I did post before on this car. Oh, hope nobody's seen that. Nobody was supposed to see that. Oops, that's okay. Maybe we'll talk about that one in the next one. But yeah, that's how you get to your power steering. I did a couple of videos before where we're supposed to do the intake cleaning, the intake manifold cleaning, and all that fun stuff. I never really did it because I never got walnut media blaster, like walnut shell blast. I was supposed to get that. Didn't get around to doing that, so I put the car back together, and then I ended up putting the tribute back on the road, or taking the tribute off the road because I had to drive this. So that'll probably be one of the videos. It'll just be up in the link on the top. It's an old video. If you guys watch it, cool. If not, it's all good by me. I'm gonna try to get back to posting daily video. Nah, can't say daily. Can't promise you daily, but weekly videos for sure. I felt like me not doing YouTube was like, I kind of got bored not doing it, if that makes any sense. You know, a lot of people like get bored doing it, but I got bored not doing it. So I want to get back into the game of just going back on my YouTube game. It's not gonna be nothing fancy. There's a lot of YouTubers out there. I'm just doing me. Hope you guys watch. Hope you guys like. Yeah, I gotta finish this power steering actually. I gotta put this line on, the bottom line, and then I actually gotta go down in here and do the cooler. I actually got the cooler to still hook up right here. Oh wow, that's super big. Oh boy, that's gonna leak. Oh. Man, I don't want to go back to that clear hose. I really don't. Then I have to disconnect it from like right there. Oh, where are you? I have to disconnect you from right there where that hose clamp is, and then pull that hose off, put a clear hose back on. I need to go get a bigger hose so I could do this. Oh my god. It's okay. That's how the game works. If you can't solve the problem at the beginning, I'll find a solution to fix it later. There's always a way to fix it later. If you can't fix it now, there's always a way to fix it later. So, oh man, okay. I'll pick up with you guys in a minute.